How to fix your earphones headphone not working on Windows 11. So today we are here with some troubleshoot steps in order to fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, unmute your headphones. Ensure your headphones volume is not muted on your computer. To check, look at the speaker icon in the system tray in the bottom right corner of the screen. If the speaker symbol has a cross next to it, the volume is muted. To unmute it, simply click the muted speaker icon in the system tray, then click the same icon beside the volume slider. After unmuting, make sure to adjust your sound volume on Windows so it is not too low. Also, check for hardware issues. If the volume is not muted, ensure your headphones are not faulty. To check that, simply unplug your headphones from a device and plug them into another computer or your smartphone. If your headphones also don't work on other devices, they are probably faulty. So either have them inspected by a technician or replace them. Then, set your headphones as the default output device. Ensure your headphones are set as the default audio output device in your sound settings, especially if multiple audio output devices are connected on your system. To check that, right-click the Start button and open the Settings app, then navigate to System Sound, scroll down and click More Sound Settings. Now, in the sound window, go to the playback tab. If a different device is selected as default here, right-click on your headphones and select Set as Default Devices. Now, lastly, run the audio troubleshooter. The Windows Audio Troubleshooter automatically scans for and fixes audio issues. If all the solutions above are ineffective, this troubleshooter might do the job. To run the troubleshooter, right-click the Start button and choose Settings, then navigate to the System tab and go to Troubleshoot and tap on the other troubleshooters. Then, click Run and next to Audio and the Get Help app opens, seeking your permission to diagnose the issue. Click Yes and the troubleshooter begins. Allow the scan to complete and follow the on-screen instructions provided during the diagnosis. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.